8:26 in the morning and I decided to go to swim. You can see today is not sunny weather, but I think the temperature of water is rather good. So I'm here now. No one is here, just one granny. She is also swimming. We can see the water inside. Fish here. I love this view. I love to be here. Normally I spend summer with my parents. They have also a little lake, but this year I'm here because we have a lot of work at home, but I am so happy to have this nature.
Нарисовала. Оля, или ты ее разукрасил? Я. Зачем? Зачем ты рисовал на Настю? У вас же столько листиков. Волька. Идите от меня. Не надо. Ну что значит не надо? Мне твоя художественная вот у нее на спине. Да?
Here is my car and I go back home. So yesterday my husband was in Moscow to buy spare parts for our washing machine. He had to buy a pump. That was a problem with the pump. And today he was cleaning all these parts because we have this washing machine since 2003. Since 2003, да? And the pump was not so good. So my husband bought yesterday this pump and also spare parts for another washing machine. He will make it later. And now you can see problems again. We did one washing, and for me everything was okay. It was perfect, but my husband realized water is dropping somewhere. So he said one of the pipes was damaged. Okay. And he bought casing in Moscow for another washing machine. So maybe he will repair this. It's made of plastic, and he bought casing from another broken machine in Moscow. I hope maybe one day it will wash again. Today I'm gonna make sweet buns with cinnamon. You can see I made the dough on the whole table and then put there over cinnamon, sugar and butter and make a roll. And now I can cut like this. And the bun is ready. And put it here. And we put second part to our oven. And you see what's with first part? I think it's delicious. Now I will make some coffee. I will put 3 for me and Roma. Если что. О. Ну как, вкусное все? Очень или не очень-то?